Welcome back to Rituals. Yo, so today I guess I'll give you guys some POV footage of the G87 BMW M2, me driving down here in Phoenix, Arizona. So let me go ahead and give you guys a different angle from this camera so you guys can get some POV footage. And like I said, this year I'm gonna try to give you guys at least a couple videos a month to kind of build this channel back up and keep you guys in the loop of what I got going on. And like I said, I got some modifications coming, so yeah, let's get this thing going. And I'm gonna start doing more of these POV drives for you guys here on this YouTube channel. I know you guys are wanting some more G87 BMW M2 content, so I'm gonna load you guys up with some more content, give you guys exactly what you've been asking for. And all I ask is go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Greatly appreciate that. Greatly appreciate you guys' support. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Got a car show coming up on January 25th out in San Diego, so I'll definitely be dropping some footage for that. It's gonna be a whole bunch of BMWs out there for that car show. So yeah, you guys make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see all the cars that are gonna be on display. I should have all my modifications done by then too. So Black Eagle, this G87 BMW M2 build will be not done, but it will be pretty close to being done. But you guys, I guess you guys will be seeing that very, very soon. All the mods I got coming. I got exhaust, got some wheels, got some carbon fiber. So yeah, I'll be doing an unveiling at that car show. Hopefully all the installations will be done by then. All the parts have been ordered. Everything has been purchased. It's been a delay on shipment and everything with the holidays, but a lot of stuff is starting to come in. Got some installations coming in this weekend for the exhaust and some rondelles. And so yeah, hope you guys are looking forward to the content. And like I said, I'll be dropping more content for you guys. And I greatly appreciate you guys' support. Like, truly, thank y'all for rocking with me. Like I said, I know this past year I haven't uploaded much to YouTube because I've been focused so much on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. But I'm definitely going to start uploading some more YouTube videos for you guys. And once again, I greatly appreciate you guys' support. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram or TikTok, the handle is M2_Black Eagle on both. And if you are on Facebook, go ahead and give me a follow there, Mr. Black Eagle. And while you're here, make sure you smash the subscribe button. And like I said, thank you guys for